In this video, we're going to replace the radiator cap on a 2.4 liter Jeep Wrangler. So my one is faulty with the engine running, and when it's hot you can see steam coming out of here, which isn't what you want to have. So it's time to replace this. This is the Mopar one. I already had it replaced once when it was under warranty a long time ago. You can see the Mopar part number right there. I didn't want to spend the money to get a Mopar radiator cap, but I did want a relatively decent one, so I bought a stand. There's the number in case you want to know. I got this from Rock Auto because it was like $2. And if I went to O'Reilly's or AutoZone, it would have been $5. So, and it wouldn't have been the same one. It would have been a cheaper one in my opinion. So what you want to do is first of all make sure the engine's cold. I got home about 6 or 7 hours ago, and while it still feels warm, it's not hot, so it's not under pressure anymore. Okay, so to remove it, you put your hand on top and you push down and you twist to the left and kind of keep twisting. So I got it there, but you still need to keep twisting it. Push down, twist again. Now it should. There you go. Don't really want to get coolant everywhere because you get white spots all over your engine bay. So this is the old one. I can't really tell if it's faulty just by looking at it, but it is because it's letting steam out. So put that there for now. Everything else looks okay, I guess. Time to get a new one. So this is a new one. It's 18 pounds for this engine, and it's like that for a lot of engines, actually. There's the underside. Compare them and see. That's slightly different, but should fit nonetheless. So let's get this back on. So you want to see those tabs on the side right there. You want to get those in the gaps. So it's going to go like that. Then you push down and just twist it the other way. And then when it stops twisting, you're done. That's how you replace a radiator cap.